it's Ensign Doodle Haunted Edition, and today we're going to Kamme Haunted House. This is a circus-themed haunted house. It is huge, awesome. And let us know in the comments below what you think about this one. So make sure you stick around to the end to see what it looks like.
Now, this is the first year we visited this haunt, and it's absolutely amazing. This is actually set up in their front yard. It is multi-stories high. So be sure to stick around in the end and see all the interior walkways, decor, setup, animatronics, and everything else.
Excuse me. No cutting for
We'd love to hear from the community what your favorite slasher, horror character, monster, you name it, what's your favorite Halloween costume, decoration, or character? One of our favorite parts about this haunt was not only the fact of its size, but the theming. Each room, each area, each corridor had its own theme and stuck to it. It made this place extremely immersive. I know this is a lot of graffiti, but I think the sign said, hey, if you watch this much, you'd be a valued member of the Dad and Son community. So be sure to hit that subscribe and hit that like button so others find the video as well.
This room is like the blowout room. I'm gonna call it the blowout.
Now, as you can hear from other people around us, this is an extremely family-friendly haunt that's located in a neighborhood. So you'll be sharing the tour with other families, which is awesome and brings everyone into the Halloween season.
Is that Miss Mercy? Oh, she's on.
If you got this far in the live, put down a clown emoji and a Halloween, any type of Halloween emoji, down in the comments.
So after you're leaving the haunt, you're brought out to a cemetery scene outside, which then takes you to the end. We thought there was another section here. That was our mistake. But we wanted to sweep around the front and show you how massive this thing is from the street view.
Let's go twice.
The exterior really has so much to see, and the lighting is insane. We've never seen lighting like this at a home haunt. So it really draws you in and really sets the mood of the circus. It hits all angles and creates an awesome environment. And this is a great time to remind you, if you love Halloween and holidays, you found the right channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and check out this video or this playlist to get yourself started.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, be liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications. Take care. Have a great day.